How to fix VLC not streaming YouTube videos. We have seen that VLC is not streaming YouTube videos, as you can see here. Because VLC does not include a built-in YouTube script to stream videos. In this case, the option to stream YouTube videos directly in VLC is available through the use of an external add-on called youtube.lua script. This add-on was created by a third-party developer specifically to enable VLC to stream YouTube videos. Now let's look at the steps for streaming YouTube videos. Go to the youtube.lua GitHub script page. I will provide the link to the description. Click on download icon to download this youtube.lua script. Just copy the youtube.lua script file. Then come to the location where you have installed VLC. If you have used default installation, then path will be as shown in the script. Now paste down the youtube.lua script here. Now open VLC and go to Media, then open Network Stream and paste down any YouTube video URL in the box and click on the play button. Here we can see we are able to play, stop YouTube video, and it is under our control. In this way we are able to stream any YouTube video in VLC player. If you like this videos, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.